It's likely that you'll want to access a network using a USB-C device. Perhaps you want to use the internet in a hotel or a classroom, but there's no Wi-Fi or the wireless connection is weak. Or maybe you want to access a secure network where there is no wireless. It might be more reliable to make your connection using an Ethernet cable. To do that, you'll need a USB-C to Gigabit-Ethernet adapter. At one end, this compact adapter has a port for an Ethernet cable that connects to your network. And at the other, a USB-C connector for the laptop. And you're good to go.